Si Ali. First time short hair, right? Huh? Is it right?
Short hair.
Huh?
I want short hair.
Really? Are you excited? Let's get
Cutting.
Let's get
started.
First, kailangan natin ng tubig. Supply.
And scissors.
And scissors.
Yeah, all the ingredients do I need for my hair to cut.
Now let's
get started. Looks like Mommy's cutting my hair.
So, nag-recycle kami ng trash bag para hindi siya hindi na ng buhok yung katawan niya, her body. Gahi na kami hair, babe. So, let's So, look at that, guys. Yeah. I'm going to pick a bath. Wait, look at them. See? Hold it them.
Hello.
There's new hair. Ali.
What do you think?
What do you think? Look, camera, babe. Please. Close up sa camera. Close up sa camera. Oh, it's Ali's new hair. Say bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Few moments later. A few minutes later.
Elena's new hair. Oh, look at that, babe.
Let me see them, maybe.
Ay, so wait lang. Akong video. Babe. Oh. Smile. Smile, pretty. She looks like snow. You like it? You like your new hair? How's it feeling?
Happy.